how to make stickers on iPhone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily make stickers on iPhone. So it's a pretty simple process. So first thing, just head over to your Google Photos and just look at any of the photos from which you want to create a sticker. So let's say I want to create a sticker from this mouse. So let me just quickly hold this or long press on this particular mouse, and as you can see, my link has been created. So I can simply click on this copy. So now the sticker link has been copied. Now I can basically share this sticker link with anyone I want in using different social media applications. So in this example, I'll be using Messenger application. So you can use any other application yourself. So from over here, just head over to any of your chat, and if you have previous version of Messenger, you can just tap on this plus icon, and here you should see automatically see the sticker icon, or tap on the sticker section to actually send the sticker file. But if you don't see that, then you can just tap on this emoji icon over here and just select this sticker option, and from over here you can just tap on this hamburger icon at the bottom right corner, and you can see, just select this your sticker option, and from over here you should see all of your stickers. But if you don't see it here, don't worry, because we have just copied the link. You can just basically just long press on this text format over here and just click on paste, and just click on send to actually send that particular sticker to your desired person. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.